Assalamu alaikum friends, Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video we are showcasing a beautiful crochet bedsheet handmade with love. Every stitch air charm and elegant. The soft texture makes your beds feel cozy and warm, perfect for daily use or special occasion. A crochet bedsheet bring comfort and timeless beauty to your home. Handmade love. This crochet bedsheet is made by hand, stitch by stitch. It is full of care, fantasy, and dedication. Soft yarn, delicate patterns, and clean edges. Creative a classic designs, place it on your beds and instantly feel elegance and warmth. A perfect combination of beauty and comfort. Elegant bedroom style. A crochet bedsheet transforms any bedroom. Its delicate pattern and soft texture make the space cozy. Pair it with pillows and floor and throw for a complete elegant look. Handmade items always feel special and luxury. Crochet bedsheets cozy and soft, elegant and handmade. Comfort in every stitch, perfect for your bed. Traditional and timeless crochet is a traditional art form. This bedsheet carry the traditional into your home. Each stitch tells a story of care and fantasy. It's bring a timeless charm to your bedroom. Minimalist and modern. In modern bedrooms, a crochet bedsheet looks stunning, soft, airy, and elegant, perfect for minimal decoration or classic setting. Handmade elegance meet modern comfort. And viewers, handmade crochet bedsheets brings comfort and love. Each stitch is made carefully, creating soft patterns. It's make your bed feel cozy, warm, and elegant. A perfect addition to any bedrooms. Traditional beauty. Crochet is a traditional craft. This bedsheet reflects fantasy care and handmade beauty. Soft and clean patterns and delicate edges make it timeless, a classic piece for your bedroom decoration. Elegant bedrooms look. Place a crochet bedsheet on your bed. Instantly your room looks soft, cozy, and inviting. Add pillows or throw to complete the elegant look, perfect for everyday use or special occasion. Crochet bedsheets, soft texture, handmade love, elegant patterns, cozy bedrooms. Minimalist modern style. Even in modern homes, a crochet bedsheet looks stunning, soft, light, and airy. It's bring elegance without heavy decoration, perfect for simple and classic bedrooms decoration, comfort, and charm. A crochet bedsheet is more than decoration. It's adds comfort, charm, and handmade warmth. Every stitch makes your bedrooms look soft, inviting, and cozy. A timeless piece that you can use every day. Soft pastel look. Choose soft pastel colored yarn for a claimed look. Light pink, baby blue, or cream shades look elegant on your bed. Add a few soft cushions to complete the cozy feel. Perfect for spring cozy evening or relaxing morning. And viewers, a crochet bedsheet is made with love. Each stitch is soft, neat, and full of care. It's turn your bed into a cozy, elegant space, perfect for everyday comfort or special bedroom decoration. Soft and timeless crochet bedsheets are timeless. Soft yarn and delicate patterns make your bedrooms elegant. Every stitch carries fantasy, care, and tradition. A handmade piece that add charm to your home. Bedroom transformations. Place a crochet bedsheet on your bed. Instantly your room feel warm, cozy, and inviting. Pair with matching pillows or throws. A perfect way to transform any bedrooms into a soft, elegant space. Crochet bedsheet, soft patterns, handmade love, cozy bedrooms, elegant and timeless. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my videos. So friends,